What up, y'all? This is Jesus with Wanted Items. Just making a short video on the Nothing Personal Money Pouch. It's pretty dope. It's got this design that's a spin on the Amazon packaging. It comes in this really cool packaging that features a catalog of items. Kind of reminds me of like the East Bay catalogs. But yeah, it has a dope felt lining on the inside, screen printed with the brand's name, and the outside looks like it's made out of polyurethane leather, but super durable, feels really high quality, and it fits money just fine. So yeah, definitely check out Nothing Personal. Blazzy really did a good job with this. I gotta give it up to him. It's super clever, and just when you look at it closely, it's got all these little images that are really dope. Yeah, I'm gonna be featuring more videos on this channel around items that I don't see much content on. So if it's something that I want to see a review on, then I'm gonna take it upon myself to make the review. And if there's any items that you want to see online that you think deserve some more exposure for a brand, or maybe you just think it's a really cool item that people should know about, please let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at I'm Just Jesus. That's I'm Just underscore Jesus. And yeah, if you guys want to see more items, please let me know. Appreciate you guys watching. You take care and have a good one. Later.